Good morning. We had a very uncomfortable night in the car and we have parked at
I've got to get them.
Old Harry's Rocks and
It's a mother and a baby being fed.
Gemma is getting excited because she's found two, what are they?
Thrushes.
Thrushes.
Mother and a juvenile.
So you can't take the wildlife photographer out of the landscape photographer. We haven't got to Old Harry's Rocks yet as someone is stalking some thrushes. Any joy?
So they were here, very, very close to us. As soon as I get my camera out, off they go.
So we've made it to the cliff edge. Old Harry's Rocks is just round the corner. We're just debating as whether to put the drone up for some shots of the cliff leading round to Old Harry's Rocks. So we've come down to Old Harry's Rocks, the other side of the rocks, and we're setting up some shots to try and get the flowers that are right on the cliff edge in the foreground. Gemma's just taken some shots. The sun is now coming, which is lighting the rocks. After Gemma's taken her shots, yeah, the light is coming. Now you can always set up again.
I can.
We'll see what these come out like. I'm going to try and focus stack in camera because the D850 has got a focus. It's not called focus stacking, but it's got some focus stacking feature. I've focused on the front flower with an aperture of 5.6 because that's the sharpest part of the lens. And I've focused on the front flower. I'm now going to go into menu, focus shift shooting. Focus step width is 3, which is okay. Number of shots is 49. It doesn't matter when you're shooting landscape because it stops at infinity. So we'll see how many shots this takes. Done. Done. So I should have a succession of shots going from the flower. Yeah, it's taken a lot. The first image is focused on the flower, and then it's taken, I want to say, over a dozen shots with the focus gradually moving to the end rock, well, infinity. So we'll see what it comes out like. See, I'm seeing that more as a 5:4 crop. Because I don't like the... Yeah. The Nikon D850 has a feature where it automatically stacks the images, and it took 4 images, which I then blended in Photoshop to get the desired result.
All in all, we found Old Harry's Rocks a great place to visit. The landscape was stunning and very photogenic, especially with the aerial shots from the drone. We hope you have enjoyed our video. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time! I didn't film any of that.
You didn't have to. That was just for my own little safety blanket.
Lots of nesting birds. I've just seen a wren.
Okay. In fact, I might even manually focus stack
Might even what?
Manually focus stack it.
Manually?
Manually.
Ah.
Focus stack it in Photoshop.
So you're gonna do what?
Manually focus stack in Photoshop.